What's going on, guys? Welcome to another awesome video. As you can see, we have the WRX STi now, and we're gonna do our first modification, which is a strut bar. Surprisingly, this car never came with a strut bar. We're gonna take it one step further and we're gonna install a strut bar that didn't come with the car. This one is from Perrin. It's a company that specializes in Subaru parts. I'll show you the part numbers and also what I got. They have different finishes. They're pretty awesome because they come in a wrinkled finish, similar to the Type R valve cover. But this car has a wrinkle red on the intake manifold, and this strut bar actually matches that. So we got a wrinkle red strut bar, and it's gonna look absolutely amazing. In the engine bay, I want it to look uniform, so we're gonna do exactly that. So guys, this is gonna be our first modification to the STi, and it's a very straightforward installation, so I'll show you the step-by-step and enjoy the video. So here we have our box from Perrin. It's a very high quality box. They secure everything inside very well. We're gonna open it right up and get this part out of here. They even include a license plate cover with a Allen wrench. So as you can see, it does have a really nice mild wrinkle finish. A billet aluminum construction here on the ends where it mounts to the struts. The Allen wrenches go here, and you can readjust this bar as you install it. So we're gonna loosen them up first and then set everything in place, and at the end of everything we'll tighten this up nicely and secure it in place. So I'll show you up close shots of it so you can get an idea of what to expect from them, and then followed by the installation. Alright guys, so we have all the parts laid out. We took them out of the packaging, and I'll show you up close what we have here. A very nice setup. Billet aluminum on the ends, and they are powder coated black with a nice Perrin logo there. We have the wrinkle finish, which looks phenomenal. I've never seen a strut bar company do this before, so I definitely had to get it. Comes with a sticker explaining something about how it changes the handling or something. I don't know why they gotta give you a warning sticker for that, but we have a Allen wrench, a nice little bonus. I'm not gonna be using this, but it's a nice bonus for people that like stuff like that. We have the instructions, which is very nice, and also we got stickers. So I'm gonna show you the step-by-step of the installation on this. So let's get started. This is the part number for this strut bar, so make sure you write it down right there. First thing first, guys, we're gonna take our Allen wrench right here that they provided, and we're gonna loosen up this section right here. We're gonna take this top cover off, and we're gonna install these the mounting brackets first onto the car, and you're gonna repeat this step on the other side of the strut bar as well. Take this cover off, set it on the side. So you're gonna take this bracket and install it on the strut tower mount first, and then we're gonna move on to installing the strut bar itself. Alright guys, so we are on the passenger side. We have these 12mm nuts right here that we're gonna remove. We have our wrench right here, so simply remove it. Next, we're gonna take our strut bar bracket right here. This is the passenger side, and we're just gonna set it in place just like that, and put our mounting nuts back in place and tighten it up slowly, even on both sides. We're done with this, and we're gonna move on to the driver's side. Alright guys, so now we're moving on to the installation of the bar itself. We have it right here. All you have to do is just sneak it behind here, the intercooler. And we're gonna set it in place like this for now, and then we're gonna get our end pieces and install them both sides loosely, and then we can adjust from there. So let's move on to the next step. So we're taking our Perrin end pieces right here. You set it in place. Just drop the bolts in there. Take your Allen wrench and get it nice and tight. So now that we have this set in place, we do the same thing on the driver's side, and we're gonna set everything loosely, and then we're gonna do a final pass, and we're gonna get everything tightened up, and we should be good. Alright guys, so everything's torqued and in place. As you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful back there. And then the finish with the wrinkle red, it definitely stands out a lot, and you can see it. I was thinking about getting black, but you know, if it's in back there, you won't be able to see it. And it matches my intake manifold right here, which is also finished on the same texture. So guys, this is a beautiful piece, super high quality, and it bolted up with no issues or anything. So I'm very happy with it. I can't wait to feel the performance enhancement that it gives it. This car is super well balanced, and I absolutely love how it drives already. And I was very surprised when I looked back there and I didn't see any strut bars or anything. So I was like, oh wow, you know, let me look into it, and I found this brand, and I'm so absolutely happy with the finished product. So definitely a big plus, and I highly recommend it. So there you have it, the installation of the Perrin Strut Bar. I hope it was very helpful and you found some tips on how to install it. It's very straightforward on the 2018 and up WRX STi. So it definitely bolted up nicely without any issues. So I highly recommend this product. The fit and finish I absolutely love, and it's definitely a nice touch to the engine bay without being like overboard. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you're notified for more STi videos or DC5 videos. So stay tuned for more, guys. Thank you for watching, and until the next one, peace.